Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing 5-6 apples, peeled, cored, and sliced about 1/4 inch thick. This size cooks evenly. Toss apples with 1/2 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tsp cinnamon so flavor penetrates. Instead of cornstarch, you'll pick a thickener. Use 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour for opaque filling, or 2 tablespoon instant tapioca for clearer, glossy filling. Mix thoroughly so sugar and thickener coat every slice. This jumpstarts. You move the coated apples to a medium saucepan and heat over medium. Once the pan is warm, the fruit will start releasing juice within minutes. Make a slurry by dissolving 2 tablespoons of your thickener in 2 tablespoon water and add it gradually while stirring. This prevents lumps. Lower to a gentle simmer and cook 1-3 minutes after adding the slurry so the starch activates and clears. Taste and adjust sugar or spice. Because thickening, concentrate. You finish by taking the saucepan off the heat when the filling looks slightly looser than you want, because residual heat will finish setting it. Make sure to cool 20-30 minutes before filling a crust so it doesn't steam the pastry. If the filling is too thin, return to low heat and simmer slow, or whisk in 1 tsp instant tapioca and wait a couple minutes. If it's too thick, stir in 1-2 tablespoon water gradually. Adjust gently until the texture is right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.